Hey guys, so today showing you my cool awesome butterfly knife. It's on Blade Play. When I first got it, it was a little tight, so when I tried to flip it, it would just stay right there and then it would come back. And I put duct tape on it because my parents want me to not cut myself for a while until I master a lot of moves. Don't know a lot of them, but well, actually I only know two, and it's called Blister Tanto Butterfly Knife Green Swirl Flipper. Yeah, it's a pretty long name. Take the duct tape off. Show you. Hold on, this might take a while. There. Here we go. Okay. Ah, God. It's my other finger that already got cut by something else. Dang it. Might take a long time. There we go. Got the first part off. It's a really cool knife. Alright, I got it all off. I'm a little scared to even flip it now, but it's a pretty cool knife. Give y'all some knife porn. Okay, well that's about all I have to say.